Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set reminder in the Google Sheets. So first, to add a reminder, you need to first have the add reminders extension on your Google Sheets. So I got this from the Google. So if you want to, you can just go to get add-ons here on the extension, and here you need to find the add reminder extension. So I got this from the Google Workspace Marketplace. So you can just find reminder here, add reminders, just search for it, and after that add it to your Google Sheets by installing it, this one. So I've already installed, as you guys can see here. And to add a reminder, just click on the extension here, go to the add reminders and choose to set up or edit reminders. Click on this. Now it's working, and wait for the panel on the right here show up, add reminders. Okay, so to set a new reminder, you can just click on add a new reminder here, and here choose the column. For example, I choose this, and send reminders in 1 hour before or after. So here you can choose between hours, day, weeks, months, and years. I'm going to just go with 2 hours before. You can also change the time zone if you want. And here, if you have if you share this file with another person, you can also notify them here. And after that, just click on done, and the reminders will be set. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.